Hey y'all, good morning. Hope y'all are doing well. Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today is going to be another busy day, okay? I'm on my way to go pick up a part because I put my car, well, I don't have to put it in the shop, but it's going to get fixed some more. I'm just trying to tackle as much as I can, you know, why I can. Y'all tell me, why do these folks wait until school's back in, people are traveling and doing all sorts of things before they want to repair these roads? I don't get it. Like, it don't make no sense. What y'all think? So, is this, where you going? They be doing too much out here, y'all, with these cars. They can't drive. But yeah, I have to do that. And what else? I'm going to make sure I do take my jacket there, though. I'll tell you that now. I'm going to make sure I have my jacket there. Trying to... I know I have to help daughter with something today as well. So, trying to do that. Things that are important, you take care of them. Right? Well, y'all, I was just looking because this truck has a it's a Yukon. It has a big old couch in the back. That's why I love trucks, because like when you go shopping for furniture, or if you see something on the street, if you're one of those people, you can pick it up, put it in your car, and all that good stuff. You know what I mean? So trucks come in handy, but they are expensive. So, yeah. I should be there in about 5 or 10 minutes. Look in your own car, not in mine. Stay in your own car. Stop looking at my car. I can't stand it. Nosies. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later. I don't have too much to talk about. I need to hurry up, get to this place, and get rolling and get started with my day. All right, now? Y'all, Walgreens is not the place, because I am like pissed off. I've been in this place for like, oh my God, I've been in here for maybe 20 minutes trying to get photos. Like, where did they do that at? Got the photos. I actually didn't have to pay for them, which is good, but still, like, oh my God. I'll show y'all the photos in a second. Let me see. Let me show y'all real quick. Hold on, please. Hold the line, please. They came out really good. Hold on, y'all. Let me see here. They came out good. I'll probably show you guys some more of them once I get home. But I end up picking up my photos for my frame. Oh, man, look who in the building.
Hey y'all, I got a new hairstyle. I know y'all like, what? Yeah, hey y'all. Oh, I was about to say, why I hear myself? Do I hear myself or am I tripping?
No, I got this thing plugged up.
Oh, that's why I was like, so crazy. But hey y'all, how y'all been? I hope all is well. Hope everybody's doing good spiritually, mentally, physically, financially, emotionally, everything, you know. Don't be overthinking stuff. Go with your gut and don't worry. Y'all live your life the way you want to. Stop worrying about what other people think about what you do and got going on. Do you. Do you, boo. Do you.
Really? Yeah, I lost a close friend of mine today. Well, I think yesterday. But I talked to him on Monday. Just going to show you how short life is. But I'll probably see you guys later. I got to go. I had to take her do her little stuff, and I need to get some things taken care of. Bye, y'all.
Have a good day.
Y'all, I'm back at it. Y'all see where I'm at, right? At the car dealership again. But ain't nothing wrong. I just still was getting some other things done. But just wanted to pop in, say hi to you guys. And y'all see I got my jacket on. I ain't playing. I'm not playing. I'm not trying to get sick. I got my OOTD. I don't know if you guys could see what I had on today, but yeah. OOTD. OOTD. But yeah, once I get home, I'll share the story with you guys about my friend. I'm really, really upset, and I'm really, really sad about it because I don't know, y'all. Once I tell y'all, then y'all probably will understand why I would be upset about something like that. But I'll see you guys in a little while. All right, y'all. I'm finally home. I'm gonna make this quick because I'm super tired. I got all my things done today with some extra added on things, but I'm not gonna complain because it could be worse. But here's the chair, y'all. This is how it turned out. I may, like, in another near future, get some more paint because I just want to go over it again a little bit here. Unless I can put the seat on there. When I put the seat on there, you're not gonna be able to see this, but for the most part, it got covered. So it does look. See how it's darker than that, and then it's almost basically. It's almost like that. So yeah, it turned out okay. So let me just go ahead and share with you guys story. Well, it ain't really a story, but about my friend. So my friend called me Monday to ask me could I come by his house, pick up his car, and go get him some waters and stuff. But I was on the other side of town, so I couldn't do it. So I asked him, was he okay? He said, yeah, I got corona. And I said, are you serious? And he said, yeah. I said, when did you find out you had corona? Because I had talked to him previously, maybe a week ago, and it was on one of those days where I like walk up and down in the street in my neighborhood. So I know he was around a group of guys because they was laughing and joking, having a good time, like, you know, man stuff. Talk about wives and boy stuff, you know, using the N-word and stuff. I didn't like that, but it's here nor there. It's just they were having a good time. So I do know he was around that crowd of people. So like I said, I wasn't able to go get him, but I did call him the next day to see if he was okay. So when I did speak with him, that was yesterday morning. Early yesterday morning, I called and asked him, was he okay? And he said, I can't hardly breathe that well or something. And I'll just call you later. So I was like, I just want you to know I'm praying for you. And he said, okay. So this morning, I got a phone call early this morning. So I called back on my lunch break. So the daughter answered the phone and was saying, you were the last person in his phone that he talked to besides my stepsister, my little stepsister or something. And I was just like, what? And she said, he passed away. He was in the chair. And y'all, I didn't know what to say. I am grateful that I did get the chance to speak with him and let him know that I'm praying for him. My prayer was that he was right. You know, like knowing the Father and have a relationship with Christ. So it still hurt because I just remember our last conversation. Yeah, so yeah, my friend's gone, but let me just show y'all real quick these pictures and how they came out. Here's the picture when my sister was here. Those came out nice. This one I took the boys. These are just the pictures that I'm going to put inside the frame. That's so cute. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for y'all today. I'm just going to get relaxed, get myself together because it's 7:51. And I'll just talk to you guys in another video. Peace and love. Thanks for tuning in today. Bye-bye.